Welcome to Play with Your Children program. We will do treasure number T1. Treasure T1 on the treasure island of Two Rivers. So this is the island of Two Rivers. It is obvious what it has in the map. And we go straight to the first instruction. But before we go to the first instruction, we have to start from a point. We have to set the initial conditions. We have to do the setup, as we say in programs. And in this treasure map, the initial position in X direction, it's the column, number 4 column, and the initial position in a row, it's the Y direction. It's 4, 4. So it's 4 in the X, 4 in the Y, or 4 vertical, 4 horizontal. And here we make the marking of the initial position. If you have a post-it, you can post it here onto this cell, especially if it has an arrow. You can put the arrow here like that when you play in the paper. Once we started, we set up the initial conditions, we go to the first instruction, which says move one cell to the right. So from here we go one cell to the right, we go in the middle of the cell, and we finish with the arrow. If you have a post-it, you will post it right here, the next one. And here we have reached the point where it's fifth column, 4 row, fourth row, or say 5, 4, and we write it here so that we have a trace of where we go. And we go to the next instruction. It says move 2 cells up. So from here we go 1, 2 cells up, and we reach the point 5, 2. So we write the position where we are, 5, 2, and go to the third instruction, move 2 cells to the right. So we move 1, 2 cells to the right, and we reach position 7, 2. So we reach position 7 in the X direction, 2 into the Y direction. And we go to the next instruction. It says somebody digs in the ground until it finds the treasure. So we dig here until we found the treasure, and then we mark the position where we are. It's 7, 2, and we say to the treasure that we have reached, that the treasure T1 is in 7, 2. He opens the envelope and he sees if we have reached the correct position. If we have reached the correct positions, he gives us a small card which describes the treasure, and we keep it and continue playing.